Um, Hi, we're Mary, Christina, and this is little Leon. We're in Val d'Isère in France. Little Leon was born 15 weeks premature last year in August and spent his first 4 months of his life in NICU and in neonatology in Chambéry. Had all sorts of problems, but they're mostly fixed now. But we could see that there's a bit of a delay with his sitting up and crawling and things like that. So Steve was kind enough to take a look at him, and just within the matter of 2 days we find, he has changed a lot.
He's nearly, he's a lot more stable, he's a lot more rigid. As you can see, he's nearly sitting up. Aren't you, little man? Eh? He's a lot straighter in his posture, and instantly we saw that his back, his pelvis and his back, the back of his legs, completely straightened out, and he was able to start to get a lot closer to crawling a lot quicker.
Yeah. Also, if you stand him up now, then he can actually support himself for a few seconds, which he absolutely wasn't able to do before.
So good.
So he's a lot stronger, and he's going to be a lot of trouble very soon.
Yeah.
I'm Christina. I'm Leon's mum, and it's been just over a week that Leon had his last treatment with Steve, and the changes we see in him are really quite cool to witness. Leon is an extreme premature baby, born at 25 weeks, and had all sorts of little problems. Generally he's doing fine, but was a bit delayed in with his motoric skills a bit. And after Steve's treatment, we saw a change quite quickly. And now, after 1.5 weeks, I have to say he keeps me much busier than he used to. He's a lot stronger than before. He has started to move after the treatments. He's not quite on all fours yet, but he manages to get into everything he wants to get to, preferably phones, the dog's water bowl, and cables. Cables are a particular favorite as well. So now we're on a bit of a race who's gonna get to each item faster. But yeah, it's great to see these changes in him. Find his whole posture has changed, and he's a lot stronger and a lot more controlled in his movements. And yeah, it's really a really cool thing to see. So yeah, thank you very much again for that, Steve. And we hope to see you soon again. Bye. You can do it. You can do it. Yes. Yes, that's it. Yay! Bravo!